In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to open a checking account with Wells Fargo online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website of Wells Fargo. Go ahead and type in wellsfargo.com and then search for it. This will take you to the official Wells Fargo homepage. Now scroll down, navigate to this section, checking. The most popular choice for daily banking is the everyday checking account, but Wells Fargo also offers student checking, teen banking, prime checking, and premier checking if you'd like to explore other options. But for this guide, I'm going to use everyday checking account. Click open now to start the application. You will land on the account setup page. If you already have a Wells Fargo account, you can simply sign on. Otherwise, click on the option Let's Go. This first step is identity verification. Enter your social security number or ITIN followed by your mobile number. Wells Fargo will send a verification code to confirm your number. So be sure it's correct. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, address, and any other required details. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete each field. Once your identity is verified, Wells Fargo will prompt you to set up your online banking username and password, create secure login credentials, and save them in a safe place. After completing all the steps, your new Wells Fargo checking account will be created. You'll be able to sign in and access your online banking right away. And that's how you open a checking account with Wells Fargo online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.